Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you the method of using Microsoft Office in the browser online. First, we're gonna sign in to our Microsoft account. Enter the link in the description of the video. Sign in to our Microsoft account. After that, we're gonna choose the app we're gonna use: PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Clipchamp, Outlook, OneDrive. We're gonna choose the document. I will choose this one as an example. We can, as you see here, we can edit this document and use the online editor to edit the document. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and thank you.